So, thank you so much to Steve. Let me borrow the jack. I really appreciate it. So here we are. What we've done so far. I put the new radiator in. It's all mounted. We got to figure out some brackets for it because it's not fitting in the slots the way that it was supposed to. You know, like in these little things. Boom. So we're going to extend this over to there. Probably run it down like under here, over there. And then the top one, where obviously is long enough, we just go shink. We're going to cut this and, oh shoot. We can just unpinch it, find the right thing to pinch it into here, go so it's way shorter. Oh yeah, I'm about to do that. I'm like unclamp this, unclamp it, take it with us, because then we're just gonna find like that little piece to connect these two together, and then just use the clamp. I'll show you. Boom. So back at it here. Let's go ahead and take a little trip around. So boom. Weird hose, who knows? Picked up a jack, some other miscellaneous items. We got like all the, you know, the whole shebang. Let's go install it. So, you want to relocate your coolant reservoir? No problem. Here you go. So it is now nighttime. You can see the absolute mess we've created. So far the hardest part was getting this stupid crash bar on. It would not go on, but we got the radiator mounted. I did a custom bracket down here and then just zip tied it to it just in case. And then this side we have a bracket going down to it, whatever. And then I have to do the power steering cooler. So we have the hose for the intercooler all set up. Just a couple little things that we got to get done left. I haven't even installed the coolant reservoir. I don't know where I'm going to put it because it's not fitting on this side. But it's all good. We'll figure it out. Boom, bruh. So right now we're working on just the coolant reservoir. We got the crash bar and the whole front end on. This was a pain because it was like the actual piece was like an inch away. So I had to use straps and like tighten it together so I could even fit it onto the studs. It was horrible. But so now we're gonna fit in the coolant reservoir like right there. So here we have Civic. We've been wrapping a couple dents here and there, but with the doors, fenders, hood, and one mirror. I look at mirror, I think it looks better with this one, so we go with this one. Half the emblem's missing, it looks kind of jank, but it's okay. So we're getting that done, and then over there we have a 335i. Stay tuned because we're going to be doing a video on what happens when you don't do your clutch maintenance while driving manual. So I had something go out, so I push in the clutch, fall to the floor, and fluid leaking everywhere. I'm sure you can guess what that is. I'm going to save it for the video, but I'm going to show you how to install it and what to check and what to replace before this happens to you, because this will have to be stranded for a good 3 days. So we're going to do a video on that, but for now I'm going to continue wrapping. We'll do a couple time lapses. We have the bumper to do too, but there's like all kinds of chips and stuff. It's gonna be really difficult. We're gonna see how good we can get it. But so yeah, I think tomorrow we're gonna do quarter panel roof kind of combo. It has to go. So we're buffing X7M. You can see just how good it looks when you do a proper job, and then when you wipe it down, for instance, fender, you've already done it. nothing. Versus like you can see all the little scratches and everything. But yeah, it's turning out real good. Interior is beautiful. Just finished all the buffing services.